Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling, always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet bedsheet design. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. This bedsheet pattern are having to all fabulous design from easy. This top can be as a simple or elaborate bedsheet as you want to. All top design have this unique for used you guys. Some people like bright colors and some people like light colors. But in this video you will see all color design. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on get their make shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your room you are looking or so beautiful, and so here the sweet idea for creating this room design using some custard color shaded top patterns bedsheet designs. I hope you enjoy this collection. If you like more free pattern bedsheet, check out the crochet pattern collection. The bedsheet pattern beautifully designed this amazing collection for you if you want more ideas and more decent pattern design. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. Share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember, me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.